If you're doing 200 crunches a day hoping to get abs, you're wasting your time. So stick around, because this is your no BS guide to actually getting a six-pack in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Understand how to train abs. This is where most people mess up. They treat abs like some magical muscle that needs super high reps. But this is totally wrong. You wouldn't do 100 reps of bench press with no weight to grow your chest. So stop doing that for your abs. If you want results, apply these 4 rules. First, add resistance. That can be weights, machines, or your own body weight. But if you want that thick, carved 3D AB look, body weight alone won't cut it forever. Over time, it won't provide enough stimulus to grow the muscle, and you'll end up with flat pancake abs. Second, stay in the 5 to 15 rep range. If you're cranking out 20 plus reps without crying, it's time to add difficulty. That leads us to point 3, progressive overload. It means pushing your muscles harder over time by adding weight, reducing rest between sets, or slowing down the tempo of each rep. That way, your abs are constantly challenged and forced to grow. Fourth, train abs twice a week. That's more than enough. No need to hit them 4 times a week. They need rest to grow. Step 2, do the right exercises to hit upper abs, lower abs, and obliques. You only need 3 exercises, that's all. Seriously, start with cable crunches for upper abs. You can also use a crunch machine or decline bench with a plate. Just make sure you're bending at the spine, not swinging your arms around like a lunatic. 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps, 1 minute rest. Next, leg raises for lower abs. If straight leg raises are too hard, no shame. Just bend your knees and do knee raises instead. Again, 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps. 1 minute rest, then finish with side crunches for the obliques. Best option, cable side crunches. Easy to load, and trust me, your obliques will scream louder than a beginner on leg day. But you can also do side plank raises. Same formula, 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps, 1 minute rest, and that's it. No need to overcomplicate it. But wait, we're not done yet. Sit back down. We still have fat to slay. Step 3, lose fat. Let me hit you with the truth bomb. You already have abs? Yes, even you. They're just hiding under that emergency winter fuel tank. Abs are made in the gym, but revealed in the kitchen. To do that, you need a calorie deficit. That's just a fancy way of saying eat fewer calories than you burn. Start with a deficit of around 15% under your maintenance calories. I'll put a calculator in the description that will do the job for you. So here's the recap. Progressively overload. Be consistent, lose fat, and subscribe to my channel. That's it. That's how you actually get abs. If you do this consistently, you'll eventually look in the mirror and say, "Holy sh!" Now go train smart.